The Karnataka government has released financial assistance of 300 crore rupees for sugarcane farmers for the 2025 to 2026 season. According to Agricultural Marketing Minister Shivanand Patil, 50 rupees per tonne will be directly credited to farmers who supplied sugarcane to factories across the state. This support is part of the state's plan to provide 100 rupees per tonne above the fair and remunerative price, with the cost shared equally between the government and sugarcane factories. Minister Patil, who also holds the portfolios of sugar, textiles and sugarcane developments, said the scheme was finalized after Chief Minister met sugarcane factory owners and farmers at Vidhana Soudha on November 8 following a crash in sugarcane prices. Under the scheme, the government will bear 50 rupees of the additional cost and the remaining 50 rupees will be paid by the factories. The Sugarcane Development Commissioner will release the fund to Deputy Commissioner, who will ensure the money reaches farmers' bank accounts based on the quantity of cane supplied. Deputy Commissioner have also been instructed to make sure factories pay their share to eligible farmers. Minister Patil provided an update on the ongoing crushing season, stating that 521 lakh metric tons of sugarcane have been crushed so far, with around 600 lakh metric tons expected by the end of the season. This year, 81 sugar factories are operating and 29 have completed crushing operations. The crushing season is expected to conclude in the first week of March. This financial aid is expected to support farmers and stabilize incomes amid fluctuating sugar prices.